Introducing Zmanda. Born from the most popular open-source backup and recovery software in the world, Zmanda protects more than 1 million servers and puts award-winning solutions into the hands of IT professionals. Zmanda offers robust features, including no proprietary formats. No vendor logins enable you to restore data even after a license expires. Cost-effective. Charges are not based on the amount of data processed. Scales to petabytes of data. Our AI backup scheduler automatically determines backup levels to optimize network and storage usage. Administrators can better plan their daily activities. Multiple encryption options, no security surprises. Vaulting, a backup of your backup, gives you the ability to store off-site. Support. Know that no matter what happens, the Zmanda support team is here to help, offering 24/7 support. You will be able to speak directly with knowledgeable and friendly engineers. With over 1 million servers protected in 36 countries, our product suite checks all the boxes to provide seamless and powerful disaster recovery backup solutions. Don't be another statistic. Try Zmanda risk-free. Get started with your free trial today.